Give you this quick update because I'm right now back in Dubai finally. I'm very happy. So I will do a quick update video and I show you what I'm expecting here, what will happen with Bitcoin right now, bratans, because we see right now here this this yellow line, right? It was a huge resistance line and it looks like that we're trying to break it out, this resistance line. And in my opinion, we should close a 50-minute candle clearly above this line. So it's valid in my opinion, then it's valid. I mean, this looks very good, but I don't like the volume. It has to be always the volume and this candle together. Right now, it's only the candle, not the volume. So let us watch. In my opinion, if we break this line with a clear 50-minute candle, then we can start to long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Obviously, we could jump already in long right now and set stop loss slightly below this yellow line, right? And what is very interesting, yesterday we retested perfectly here this yellow dot line, you see. And look what happened if I make this line a normal line like this upper line. Look at this, you see, it looks like falling wedge, you see. It's not the perfect one, but it looks like a falling wedge, you see. Here retest. It's perfectly amazing, and according to this, we should see a technical price target of 90,444. Why? Because in a falling wedge, the price target is always the top of the wedge, so around 9,424. Not to the dollar, but let's say 90,400, right? So it's very clear in my opinion. If we break this line to the downside, then we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins, right? So very clear. So in my opinion, if we're longing right now, then this is a trade opportunity of 1.2%, 10x 12%, 20x 24%. This is the first price target, and the next price target would be here around 90,676, 2.5%, 10x 25%, 20x average over 50% long opportunity. If we break this line to the downside, right, then we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Here is the price target. If we break 18,900, the price target is around 18,644, 1.4%, 10x 14%, 20x over 24%, right? So very clear opportunity, and it's very interesting, Bratan, in the big picture. If we are watching in a very big picture, wait a minute, what is with the internet? Wait a minute here. If we are watching, why it's not loading? Here. So we see in the big picture, we are, like I told you, we are in this descending broadening wedge, right? And the huge resistance line is right now at around 19,700. And this is very interesting. Why? Because if we are watching here on the 1 hourly back again, like my internet is so slow, what is happening here? Then I told you here, the price target, the first price is 90,400 around, and the next one is here at around 9,700, you see. So it perfectly matches with this big picture. So the second price target, you see, 90,700 perfectly matches with this on the daily from this descending broadening wedge. You see here, from this descending broadening wedge, you see the resistance lines very clear at 19,700 around, right? So this is amazing TA from Slavik Younger. Make a like every time, record this video, make a picture, and you can jerk to it, bratans. Very clear. What is very interesting, if we're breaking here this descending broadening wedge, then we have a very clear price target. The price target would be here, wait a minute, the price target would be around 26,366. So it's still valid, and it would be nothing. I mean, people say, oh, this is too much, blah, 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 so Slavic cannot be. But bratans, this is only a trade of, not only a trade, it's only a pump of 33%. Yes, it's a lot, but if we are watching back in the past, in the 2018 market, this is nothing. This is really nothing. If we are watching, my internet is very bad. I show you, okay, here I can show you. So you see, for example, here in the previous bear market, we had here a pump. We had here a pump of 40%. We had here a pump even bigger. We had here a pump of over. Wait a minute. We had here a pump of over 60%. You see, so 30% would be nothing in this big picture. If you're breaking above this line, this would be amazing. If we are retesting 19,000, around 19,700, got rejected, then the price target is very clear. The bigger price target, the big support line is at 13,275. So this is quite possible. We can go, if we're breaking 13,000, then we can go even lower. And on the real big picture, on the weekly, I told you the huge support which we shouldn't break which we shouldn't break is here around. Wait a minute, I show you. You see here this orange line. Wait a minute, I make it more clear, then you can see it even clearer. This orange line, you see, it's a line from 2016, so over how much, 6 years ago, and this is a big support. So the big support is at around 7k. So if we are breaking below 7k or 6,700, this will be horrible for Bitcoin. But if we are reaching 6,000, 7,000 Bitcoin price at 6,000, 7,000, I will invest like I will invest like if I eat something bad and then I shitting in the toilet, you know, with this power I will invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, obviously. So right now you see we are breaking out of this falling wedge. We are retesting this line. If we pass here this retest and not falling again down, then we can start to long, or we starting already to long Bitcoin here and make stop loss slightly below this line. RSI looks very good. On the 1 hourly we are neutral, so there's a lot of room to go to grow. The 15-minute is slightly overbought, but still a lot of room to go, and the 4 hourly is heavily oversold. So therefore there's room to grow. Let's see what will happen. In my opinion, very clear. If we are breaking further up, we can long. If we are breaking down here this line, we can short. Don't forget, Bratan, we are trading on Bybit. If you want also to trade on Bybit, you can claim your bonus at $4,620 for free. You can use this bonus for trading, and after a certain amount of initial deposit you get this. And if you don't have initial deposit, you get still free access to my Discord and best Telegram channel in the world. Link is down below, absolutely for free, Bratan, if you're trading through my affiliate link. Ethereum, let me quickly show you Ethereum price target. So if Bitcoin breaking further to the upside, we can long Ethereum. First price tag 1,304, 1,314 and 1,337, 3.3%, 10x 33%, long opportunity 20x 66%. If Bitcoin further breaking down, we can short Ethereum also. Here's the price target, very clear. There's the first price target 1,274, the next one is 1,224, and next one 1,184, 8.5%, 10x 85, 20x over 170% short opportunity if Bitcoin breaking further down. So very clear. Watch S&P 500, Bratan, it's very important. Yesterday we closed 3,695. Today the future is almost the same, so watch out. 9:30 the stock market will open, US stock market, and you see here it's very interesting because we have this huge purple resistance line which we had one time a fake out, we broke above, and right now we are retesting it. So, and here's also a lot room to grow. 1 hourly is neutral, 15-minute is neutral, and 4 hourly is right now also neutral. So let's see. There's not a clear decision, but according to this, if we are retested, and we retested already, I see already, we should see a pump. If we see an S&P 500 a pump, we see pump Bitcoin. If we see pump Bitcoin, we see pump and altcoin. So S&P 500, this is why we're watching this old shitty grandpa, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. So watch out, 9:30 the stock market open, Bratan. The price targets you have, in my opinion, it's very clear. Don't forget, on Bybit you can trade Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, altcoins, Poche, what you want. With this bonus 4,620, you get this after certain amount of initial deposit and free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. So, in my opinion, Bratan, it's very clear. Please write down below what do you think about it. And today I will watch some how to call it, some houses on the Palm, and I want to ask you, do you want that I do a little bit lifestyle? I know it's a little bit how you say it. How you say it in English? It's a little bit gay if I do it. I mean, not against gays, it's like a word, or it's a little bit strange if I do this blogger, but maybe you want this. And if you want, write it down below. Thank you everyone for commenting, thank you for liking. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.